Hey guys, I'm Bree from the Wild Roots Lifestyle here today to remind you to take your vitamins. Seriously though, it's very important to stay on top of your health and not wait for yourself to get sick or to get an illness. And a lot of those are caused by inflammation or made worse by inflammation. And so by taking turmeric, you help your body prevent inflammation-related diseases and amp up your body's natural ability to fight inflammation. Now, everyone has some amount of inflammation, but the amount varies, and the more you have, the more likely you are to get different things that stem from it, like arthritis, MS, down the road, Alzheimer's. If you look into the root cause of a lot of illnesses and diseases, it is inflammation. And so by taking turmeric, you help fight inflammation, you help strengthen your brain, and it makes your body a lot easier to fight off these things as they come and deal with things on a day-to-day basis. So I take 3 of these every day. It's very easy, and I feel great because I'm staying on top of my health and I'm proactively working to keep myself healthy.